Hello and welcome to another little bit of a quick one, a very quick Friday review. As you know, a lot of you guys that come out with me, a lot of you guys that watch us on video and stuff like that, I've got landscape channels, so I do landscape videos on a Wednesday and a Sunday. I use these little Motorola radios, two-way radios. I'll put a link in the description below for them. Little two-way radios, absolutely brilliant little things. We've also got these slightly bigger ones now that we use on and off. I've always got one clipped on my rucksack. If you want to have a look at my videos, it's always attached to my rucksack. This is a slightly bigger one, but they are only two-way radios. They have a mile range or a couple of mile range, depending on if you go in and out of behind mountains and woodlands and built up areas and stuff. They're very limited. This video is about this. This is a CB radio. Can you see that? An actual CB radio. I've gone back to using a CB radio in my van. On the back of my van, I've fitted and installed a modular air aerial. I've run the coax right the way through the roof lining into my top box up here, and I've got this little CB radio mounted in my little cubby hole above my head. Now the microphone's attached to the ceiling there. I don't have to do a lot when I'm driving along. I can literally reach up and say, "Are you online? Are you reading me?" or anything like that. "Are you there?" And I know that I'm getting a response back from
Yep.
Who's that, Mr. Big D?
It is.
Well, I'm just doing my review, mate. You hang there for 5 seconds. So the idea is, when I'm out with other people and stuff like that, we're all starting to build this community of going out in the van and doing landscape photography and things. And having the CB radio means I've got a 5 or a 10 or a 15 mile radius if we lose people in traffic. The other thing they actually do, these people at Thunderpole, they sent me this. They actually sent me this T600 CB radio. This is what this little review talk is about. It's got a channel 9, channel 19 button. Now if you're a CBer, you know channel 19 is the old communication channel where you're out looking for people. There isn't many people on there these days, but you do get the odd one or two. I was in Birmingham the other day and there was people talking. I was coming up the M6 yesterday and there was people talking. So this T600 has got its own little button dedicated for that. It's also got a scan button. It's got an auto manual squelch, so on the top of the handset you can press the little button on the front there and it auto squelches, and there's also one on the front of the unit as well. You've got different modes for AM and FM. I'm just an FM user. I don't want to get into all the technical stuff, but it is on there if you're interested. We've got obviously channels 1 to 40, like the standard old days, including UK and European band. So I take it there's a European band as well. Again, I'm not interested in that because I'm in the UK, but at least if you're looking at this and you're in the European sector, then you know. LCDs is great. Now what's different about this CB radio and the old CBs that I used to use back in the 80s is it looks really pretty. Look at this for a pretty little radio. Okay, it comes with a handset, comes with a radio, it comes with a mounting, the speaker's on the bottom of it, so you don't even need a speaker with this. It's absolutely fantastic. Now I'm going to take this camera off of the mount, so bear with me. I'm going to take this off and I'm going to spin you around. Look how cute that is sat in there. It really is a lovely tiny little fitting radio. It's probably about, what are we talking about, 4 inches to 5 inches wide. Comes with the microphone, which is clipped on. I've got it on there. Comes with a clip as well to hang the microphone on. But yeah, it really is nice and simple to use, dead simple, dead easy, and it fits in my little cubby hole. An absolute treat. So that's all I wanted to do. I just wanted to show you that little radio. There's not much more spec I can give you on it apart from the fact that it's brilliant. It means we can keep in communication now. Well, Thunderpole got a website. I will put a link to their website on. I promised I would when they sent me this. And they do handheld ones now. Like I say, I've got these little two-way radios that are really good for when I'm out of the van and Denise is in the van, Mrs. C, the wife. She can shout me and make sure I'm okay, or I can shout back and tell I'm okay. When I'm out with friends as well, you know, we use these to communicate all the time. Now, I'm going to be looking into getting a handheld one of these, and Thunderpole do handheld radios as well. Same size as this little unit, yeah, and now I will know that I can go off for a walk. Denise can be in the van and I can go off walking around and stuff like that, and she can communicate with me as far as I can possibly go. So yeah, absolutely brilliant, love it to death. Thank you to Thunderpole for sending it to me, and it's going to get much use. Don't forget to check out my landscape and my landscape videos on a Wednesday, sorry, and a Sunday. I'm very regular with those, and I like to keep regular, as most people do. So yeah, my thoughts on this is brilliant. It works very, very well. I'm very, very pleased with it. It's very, very easy. So yeah, till next time, ciao for now. Get yourself a CB radio. It's a lot of fun.